Hi guys, welcome back. This side Vishal. So let's discuss about the goals. What we need to execute our trade here. This is just ideas for everyone, right? I hope you understand here, right? So this is first level here. You can see this is first level 2066, and this is next level here for support line. This is the support here, right? So you can use 1 hour time frame right now, right? And this is the our next here trend line, sorry, support level. Okay, so exactly guys, so it's in a range. This is 2067 to 2011. That's with the range market, so we have to be trade under this one 2066 and 2013. Right now is 24. We'll go 15-minute time frame right now, and I hope you see this one video as quickly so you can execute your trade also, right? So this is a trade line here. Very easily we can see the trade line here. It's very nice. Retest is complete and double retest is complete also. That's other one. This is our here resistance level and support level. Center line, right? We don't want to see anything this one. We have to see only this one areas, right? So you can see this is exactly what is going on in the market, right? This is simple trend lines. Market will go like that, and upside is this to the resistance level didn't break yet. 2061 is completely down, right? And 1 hour time frame, what we see here, go 1 hour time frame. This is our trend line here. This is completely bigger trend line here, and you can see here one stop here, two stop here. This completely retest is going to upside, but it still didn't break. This one trend line is breakout already, right? That's there and there. Okay, nothing in the 1 hour. So we will go 15 minutes, guys. Nothing much here. So it's just trade idea you can use also if you like our techniques. It's simple here, guys. Cup and holder. If you see here, this is a cup and holder. Magic here sometime. This is the cup and holder, right? Totally shape, totally. And you can see here holder. But the web is go mark like that. But see, and we have to execute our trade. This one breakout here, right? So we have to wait for this one breakout level. If it's breakout, this one is completely, we have to buy from here. Okay, here to here. So our execute trade right now. Just wait. We have to execute right now. Okay, so we'll start selling here from 23 short positions. 23 is from here. So this is our first target here to 2013. Our stop loss will be here. Very small short stop loss is 28, 29. If it's break out this one level, I think it's go like that. This is our here trade shortest, right? We execute here trade. If we need to see other level here, so well, I will show you something. This is our other level here. You can put it up like this candle. The if it's go down, it will be a go upside. So you can make this one candle, this will be green right now, will be upside. Okay, if it's break out this one, let's make it this one candle red, right? So like this. Okay, this is our trade line. This is our trade idea here. You can see this freak breakout here. It's totally freak breakout. I hope this is also the totally freak breakout here. This is the totally fake breakout, right? So just wait. This is the first level here. It will be We can hit our first target maybe, and this is our second target. This is so far, but you can keep your positions open. Okay, guys, I hope. And this our stop loss will be 2030 2030 our stop loss. Keep little far because there's so much volume after 15 minutes, and then you will be confused totally, right? I hope you see this one video very quickly, otherwise you are late to execute our trade, our signals, right? So thank you guys, and see you. We can make other videos all the times. What you need to do, what you need to for other signals, so you can give a. That's nice, guys. Super, yeah. That's amazing. I hope you also execute your trade. It's depend on you guys. Okay. Trail your SL, book your profit first. That's important also for everyone. And cup and hodl you can see is very nicely, and it will be break very fast here. Thank you guys. I hope we will make next videos for tomorrow, and we can make for next video also BTC and all the things, right? Cryptocurrencies. We can capture bigger move tomorrow and today also. That's only for a gold. Thank you. And